So this is what you will see. Your trial expires in 30 days. And if it expires, it's only $15 to renew. Now the first thing we're going to do is create a list. You can either call this list after the product's name that you are promoting or use a general description. As I'm going to show you how to promote Easy Profit on the affiliate marketing site, let's create a general list and call it marketing. So first click on list over here, then click on create list here. So now we need to name our list. Be careful what you name it, as everybody that subscribes will be able to see the name of the list. I will simply call it marketing, as the product is all about a cheap way of marketing your offer. So everybody that signs up will now be placed in a list of people that are interested in cheap marketing. And if you find a similar product in the future, you can simply mail them your new offer. Now don't use capital letters, only lowercase letters. If marketing has been taken, get a little bit creative and call it marketing underscore affordable. Does not work? Get even more creative and call it affordable underscore marketing. If not, even more creative and call it cheap underscore effective underscore marketing. Keep on pressing the create button until you succeed. Now in future, you will use these same steps to create lists for weight loss, software, and so forth. Are you all set? Do you have your marketing list? Then let's go on to the next video.